All right, welcome to the next part of the course where I'm going to show you how you can start customizing your website a lot more and basically add separate pages and other things like that. But before we dive into that, I want to give you some motivation right now. So here's my impact account. As you can see, today's earnings were over $1,000, which is pretty good. And you're probably wondering, when can I achieve this or when can I see results like this? It will definitely take time, but my recommendation is you start small and you aim to make $50 a day. Then you get to $100 a day, and it just kind of keeps on going up a little bit basically every month, and that's how you know you're on the right track. But yeah, I remember when I first started, online businesses and affiliate marketing, I wasn't making any money. So it does take some time, but if you just follow my strategy and you do everything right, I don't see why you can't eventually make it happen within a few months or a year. So yeah, just wanted to show you this for some motivation, but let's get back to Shopify. All right, so I'm now in Shopify and I want to show you basically how you can create separate pages for each affiliate link. So click here on online store, then click pages. Now, if you don't have any pages here, that's fine. Click add page. And I just want you to put a dash here just because we need it just now temporarily. Now go back. So it should look like this. Now click back on online store. Okay, so come up here to home page where it says pages. Click on create template. So you're going to create a template for every affiliate link that you have. So for example, let's just say I have 3 affiliate links. I'm going to have to create 3 of these templates. So first one, let's call it Shopify, since that is one of my affiliate links, and make sure it's on default page. Now let's do it again. So go to pages, click create template, then put another affiliate link, create template, pages again, create another one. I put my eToro one, create template. So just keep on creating templates for each affiliate link you have. For now, I'm just going to keep it at eToro, Rakuten, and Shopify. So now we can customize each page accordingly. So first, let's start with the Shopify one. So this is how the Shopify page looks. We definitely have to customize it. So first thing I'm going to do is click here. I'm actually going to hide this section. All right, so click here on add section, then click image with text. Now make sure this is on top. So essentially now I'm going to talk about Shopify here, and that's about it. And if you're wondering how you can get some information about the affiliate link you're promoting, honestly, you can just use ChatGPT. So on ChatGPT, I could say, write me a small summary about Shopify. All right, so I told ChatGPT to write me a summary about Shopify and how it's great. Keep this short, make it less formal. So this is a lot better. So just gonna add it here in the text section. All right, so I added this, looks pretty good. Now I do want to add an image. So I'm gonna click here, select image. So you should already have your images here from before when you put it on your home page, so you can just reuse them. And for desktop, I'm going to change this to small. And then for the image height, I'm going to also make it small. All right, so this is how it looks right now, where it says button label, click there. Just make sure you add your affiliate link here. All right, so I have my affiliate link, and then I said try Shopify. Let's save the page. All right, so this is how the page looks like. Looks pretty solid in my opinion, and you also have the subscribe to our emails here. Now you definitely can customize this a little more if you want, like with different colors and things like that, or you can just keep it as is. All right, so I completed my first page. Now let's move on to the next page. So click pages, then look for your second affiliate link. All right, now we're gonna do the exact same thing we just did with the Shopify one. So let's hide this. Again, you're gonna add the section, image with text. Then you're going to add the image of the affiliate link or the product, and then add a description, add the affiliate link and customize it how you like. So I'm going to quickly go ahead and do that. All right, I just finished this page here. So I just put eToro, #1 investing platform, little small description, affiliate link right here. Looks good, pretty simple, took like 2 minutes. Now I'm gonna move on to the last page, which is Rakuten. And again, I'm gonna do the exact same thing. All right, I just finished the last page here. So advertise Rakuten, very simple. Make sure you save when you're done. All right, now let's say you've created a page for every single affiliate link. Now you're set. Now the next step is to actually customize this area here. So I want you to exit here. All right, now I want you to click on pages. Click add page. And here, basically now you have to just make sure you select each one of these. So first, let's start with eToro affiliate link. Click save. Oh, oops, just add a dash there. Okay, now create another page. Now add your next affiliate link, dash, gonna save it, add your last affiliate link, save it. So just make sure you do this for every single affiliate link, because essentially you do have to create like a separate page for each affiliate link. So I did it for these 3. Let's go back. All right, now just make sure you have all of them here. And one last thing, click back on each one and just name it the affiliate product name. So this one is Rakuten. Once you're done, click navigation, main menu. All right, so you can go ahead and delete this one. Also delete this one. All right, now click here on add menu item, then click this. Click home page, but just change the text here to resources. You can really make this whatever you want, but as long as people understand that, resources are your affiliate links. So you could potentially put helpful products or something like that, but I just like resources. Click add, now add menu item. Click here, pages, and now add each affiliate link. So we have Shopify. Let's do it again. Pages, Rakuten, and then one more time here. Pages, eToro. Just gonna fix the spelling. Basically, you need to do this with every single affiliate link, so now you should see all your affiliate links. Now under resources, what you want to do is grab this like this and just kind of put it underneath. It should do this, add it like that, just like that. So it should look like this. Basically, resources, then these three underneath. Now click save menu. And later on, we are going to add more stuff here for when you actually end up creating a blog, but don't worry about that now. Now click here and view your online store. So as you can see, first thing you do when you come to the store is you see resources. So if you click on this, it's going to show you all three resources, which is Shopify, Rakuten, and eToro. So if you click on it, you're brought to the page, which is nice. So now you have a nice organized website. Now you can add more sections here as well. So I always do like to have a section for your newsletter, which essentially your newsletter is your homepage. So you can redirect people here. All right, now come back to online store and then navigation. I want to add one more thing here. So click here, homepage, and I would change this to start here. Click add. Now just move this up to be on top. So now click save menu. All right, now let's go back to the online store and check the update. All right, so it should look like this. You got the start here, then you got the resources. So if someone clicks start here, they're brought to the home page, which has this, along with all your other affiliate links. So pretty cool.